my beautiful people? Welcome back to yet another Zosh presentation. Today's video, we are going to be installing what's in this package right here. Quick question, what do you guys prefer, FedEx or UPS?
Yes.
Today's agenda is making the Integra look a bit cooler. The vent's still on the Integra. Yeah, I didn't even read the comments on the last video about that yet, but anywho, what we have in this package comes from the great people over at Tredwear. Tredwear is the leading company when it comes to tire graphics. Bro, Tredwear is the goddamn truth. So today's goal is to clean up these tires right here, clean them up, and install some tire letters. Usually when I get tire letters, I either do Zosh MFG or I do Marauder, but this time I opted to keep it clean and just run Falcon letters. Keep it clean, you know what I mean? Clean it simple and on par with the rest of the build. And that's what we're gonna do. If you've never done tire letters using Tredwear graphics, then it's okay. I'm gonna try my best to walk you guys through it. It's a really simple process. It should take you no longer than like maybe an hour tops because you do have to do each wheel. First things first, you want to clean the wheels. We need alcohol, make sure it's 70% alcohol, isopropyl, I think 70%, whatever. Make sure that is a C-, all right? They provide you with sandpaper and you have to use your own degreaser because you have to really thoroughly clean the wheels, the tires. I want to install letters on dirty, greasy tires, all right? So get some degreaser, some C- alcohol, and sandpaper, which comes included in the Tredwear package. So we're good on that front. All we gotta do is start degreasing and cleaning up these wheels. And then after that, man, we should be morning, man. We should be morning, man. We should be morning. The degreaser I'll be using today is this mean green super clean right here, brother. That mean green, and not what you drop in the toilet. You man. Step one, let's clean these tires. So we're gonna use our mean green super clean cheese make your booty squeeze machine. You feel me? Step one is complete. Degrease your tires. Step two, you want to use the sandpaper that's provided. Now, remember, you're not scrubbing the whole damn letter off with the sandpaper, alright? You just want to lightly scuff it. You're just scuffing it, alright? Just scuffing it, baby. That's all. You can cut these into 4 blocks or whatever, but this is not my first rodeo. Lightly scuffed. Next up, we got our C average alcohol. Do not drink it. Just feel like I had to say that. So now we're just gonna use some of this alcohol right here, wipe down. So you basically just clean what you're gonna apply to. Clean the letters as well. You have to clean the letters, because if you don't, then goofy. Tredwear actually includes these stencil things. You get, I think, a total of 8. It's actually a sticky thing on here too. So you basically go like this. You figure out where you're gonna mount it. Yada yabba scooby dooby doo. I'm gonna show you what to do. You voodoo. Don't do voodoo. What? You guys probably can't see that, but it does say Falcon. So now that we have our outline of where our letters are supposed to go, we just gotta apply our letters to this on the back side and then put it back on, and then we're money. Just that simple, brother. Just that simple. Bro, this took an hour. Just this, because my template that I use, this is actually much harder than my Marauder and my Zosh MFG one. Which is weird, cause like, I don't know, bro. This shit sucks. God damn, I wish I lived close to Tredwear so we could have did this video together. But it's on. Now it is time for the Azenis. Alright, so I finally got it how it's supposed to be. I don't know, the bottom was just like a pain in the ass, but it should be solid here. I mean, it might look a little off, which it don't look up here that it's gonna be a little off. This is so weird, bruh. Like the way this is, cause the A, there, Z, it's like it goes down. These tire letters are kicking my ass. Okay, fellas, we are back. All right, so it is the next day, and the letters are done on both sides. I even got the red Falcon patch right there on the tire. But yeah, tire letters are done. I want to give a huge, massive thank you to the great people over at Tredwear. Thank you, brothers. I appreciate you guys so much for being a part of my builds for the last couple of years. When it comes to making my tires with some, when it comes to putting some clothes on my tires, you feel me? I can't be walking around here with nude tires. It's just nudie booty, you feel me? Going through stuff on the new valve cover, and yeah, pull this thing out, get some cinematic shots, and we should be good, baby. We should be good. Look at that, bro. Just look at that. Yellow valve cover was the much needed touch that we need. Now we are back in action. Everything looks how it's supposed to. I'm sorry for getting rid of you, yellow valve cover, so long ago. I'm back, baby, I'm back. It's so nice, bro. So nice. Got the tire letters on, splitters on. I gotta tighten up the splitter. But everything seems pretty good so far. Let's just see how this baby looks when she's on all fours and purring, boy, purring.
What am I supposed to do? I shop and get rich. Work too hard, but boy, don't fall so hard and get your wig split. Pray to God, I heard they got new guys outside in this bitch. Belly Tyler's got them purple hearts outside in this bitch. Ever gonna keep your nose dry, my nigga? I'm with it. I know it got you froze, my nigga. I feel it. Some niggas be running away from life. Some niggas cut off the legs. If I was you, I'd be dead.
How you guys liking the yellow valve cover? How are you guys liking the tire letters? Is Christina back in somewhat of her former glory? I'm not entirely too sure. I got this big ass hole in it. I haven't done any testing yet, which I need to do. I want to test out this duct and see if we're good. But I could probably do some proper ducting and actually add like some hose to go from the outside skirt of this directly to the radiator. But other than that, tire letters are on. The video is complete. It's a short one, I'm sorry. You know, I'm trying my best to just upload as frequent as possible. Before I start driving the car again, I really want to put a catch can on the car because I don't want to blow any seals. I don't want too much crankcase pressure not being ventilated properly. I did receive a catch can from Jack Spaniel, which I might run for the time being, but I do want to have a can that sits right here in the passenger side because I got too much stuff over there. There's too much going on this side. I'd rather have something right here, but I think the homie Keem might end up making me one. I just got to reach out and see what's up. Hopefully Keem's back doing some fab work. Let me know what you guys think, bro. Let me know what you guys think of the setup. So nice. Today is 4th of July. I just want to say, enjoy yourself, be smart. Do not do things that your parents wouldn't do, all right? Or your daughter if you have kids and stuff like that. Bro, I just can't get over how good this looks. Like this shit just looks amazing, bro. Like this just bro. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're feeling ever so helpful, please leave a like on the video. Subscribe. If you're new here, subscribe. Consider subscribing. Do what you gotta do, bro. I'm just trying to stack that paper. If you want to support the channel by picking up some merch, I do have some quality shit down below. ZoshMFG.com. Click the link in the description box. Should be the first link, and that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully with a damn catch can so we can go doing some bulls and stuff, and hopefully my turbo don't blow up again. We'll see. But I'm out. Peace.